My name is Sunday Bada. I am here again to teach you guys how to convert an amount into what? In Excel. Instead of writing it manually, you can automate this with the help of ChatGPT by writing a VBA code to automate this in Excel. Are you a vendor that usually submits an invoice to a customer? If your amount in works is differ from the amount that you write in figure, it can make your invoice to be rejected by what? By your customer, because there is a mismatch between the two. But if you want to automate this, I will teach you how to do what? How to automate this in Excel with the help of ChatGPT. Now let's proceed. For example, if you have 50 million naira here, I want to write it in Word. Instead of writing it in Word manually, there's a way I can do this to automate this. Let's go to our ChatGPT to write the VBA code. Now tell ChatGPT, write a VBA code to convert amount to word in Naira and Kobo. Because we use Naira and Kobo in Nigeria, press enter. Within second, it will generate this. VBA code will generate this. It's generating it. You see that this thing is rolling. It means that it's still generating it. Now, once it is not rolling again, our VBA code is ready. Just come here, click here. When you click that, please go back to the Excel. Now, before we paste the VBA code, let me type whether we see this function, press is equal to, and type Naira to word. You see that there's no function called Naira to word yet because we have not pasted the VBA code that we generated. Before you do that, come to the developer. If you don't have developer, come in between here, right click. When you right click, click on the customize the ribbon. When you click it, if you see that this developer is on tick, you need to click it. When you click it, it will tick it, and you click OK. When you click OK, you see developer under at the top here. Then under you see a Visual Basic, and come here, click on the insight, click on the module, the VBA code that we generated, paste it here. Once you paste it here, click any outside here and go back to the what? To the Excel. Now, we will now do what? Type Naira. You see that Naira to the wall is there now. Double click it and click on this cell, close the brackets and press enter. You see that it generated the 50 million naira for us. If it's showing the error of zero value, if this word is showing zero value, you need to go back to the ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that the amount that you put here is not in text but is in number, and it is not a zero value. It should generate correct VBA code to convert amount to what? To word in Naira and Kobo. It will generate another VBA code for you that will give you exactly result that you want, 50 million naira. For example, if I want to change this one to 35,400 naira, 35,400 naira, it's changing automatically. I don't need to type manually again. For example, I want to type 5,575 Kobo. Let's see. Now you see that it's giving me what? In Kobo as well. It's giving me in Kobo. It's giving me in Kobo 5,500 naira and 75 Kobo in naira. And for example, if you have your invoice as what? As a vendor, you want to submit your invoice to a customer, you don't need to be typing it in Word, because anything manually, human being can make error. When you are doing something, typing something manually. Now we need to automate this. Just type is equal to. When you type is equal to, type Naira. You will see Naira to word. Double click it and you click on this amount, close the brackets, press enter. It will write it in Word for us, which is 729,387 naira and 50 kobo. That is it. You don't need to make any mistake again. They don't need to reject your invoice again. Therefore, automate your amount in Word. That is it. My name remains Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye.